Let's have a look on how to install the Panasonic ventilation fan at your home.
Some quick notes before we get started. This wiring example shows a single pole switch controlling the fan only and requires a dedicated 20 amp switch. Always wear personal protective equipment when installing the fan. Disconnect the power source before wiring. Take some time to make sure nothing above the fan installation area will be damaged from the installation. Always follow local and national wiring regulations. Ensure bathroom outlets are GFCI protected before installation.
First step is to prepare the ceiling. If your ceiling needs an additional cutout, mark the ceiling using the template and cut along the outline to remove excess drywall. Next, install the single-hinge Flex Z Fast bracket. Its adjustable length makes it easy to secure to different joist sizes. In the next step, unscrew the junction box from the main fan body and slide it down to detach it. Once removed, you can access the wiring area. Use a screwdriver to gently knock out the pre-punched tab on the junction box. Feed the wire through a connector. Now, let's take a more in-depth look at the wiring, from the panel to the wall switch. At the wall switch, we'll attach the power conductor, the black cable, to the line side of a single-pole switch. From the switch, we continue the run with the power conductor. Again, the black cable connected to the load side of the switch, up into the fan's junction box where it's connected to the power lead. Again, the black conductor for the fan's motor. The neutral conductor, the white cable, is connected together at the switch box and continues to the fan's junction box, where it is connected to the white lead in the junction box. The ground wire is brought up to the wall switch, continues up to the ground lead, the green wire in the fan's junction box. The two red wires remain untouched. There's no need to do anything with them. Simply leave the red wires capped separately and secure the connector. For 3-inch ducts, attach the included reducer. 4-inch ducts can attach directly to the unit. The ducting needs to be taped to the duct on the fan. Next, slide the junction box back into its slot and secure it using the screws provided. Finally, align the fan body with the bracket and fasten it securely with the supplied screws. Now take the grill and attach it using the 2-pinch spring. Your Panasonic ventilation fan is now installed.
Restore power to the fan and test that it is functioning properly. Listen for abnormal noises, proper airflow, and confirm that the fan is operating correctly.